To be sincere with you, my brother, I'm overwhelmed. I'm glad seeing our youth coming together with one voice. It is indeed a remarkable history. The causes is all what we all knew. The bad governance in Nigeria, the insecurity, killing the innocent people by the SARS, and the evil ones empowered by the politicians. It is it is very, very annoying. It is annoying because you can just imagine what is going on in Nigeria for the past decade of years. It is I don't know. It is very, very annoying, honestly speaking. So all these things, I'm happy that the youth that our interim president refers to as the lazy youth then are now awake, are now awake. In fact, I won't say they make a mistake, but I'm assuring you, I would like to put this straight to our interim president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, and the Chief of Army Staff, Buratai, and the Adam Mohammed, that is IG, that if they try that such nonsense, they will regret ever being born. Because this music on ground now, the music we are playing now, we it's still low. We are lowering the soundtrack. If they try such nonsense on the Nigerians, they will regret it. So it is better they listen. And even the soldiers we are talking about, the military, they are also suffering. So when you see the youth coming out, the youth are not fighting for themselves alone. They are fighting for everybody, for a better country, for a better nation, for a better Nigerian. That is all I have to say about that. That's a good question. I refer Mr. Muhammadu Buhari as interim president. Why? Because he's not active. He doesn't have the role, the skills of a role model that showcase him as a president. So, and he has failed Nigeria. And if you remember perfectly, they called Nigeria as the giant of Africa. So where is the giant coming from? He prefer listening to this minority cabals than the masses. You see, so that's where we are missing it up. So I believe it's just an interim. It's not the one deciding Nigeria. It is the so-called minority cabals that are deciding Nigeria. So who is he then? Have you ever seen him coming out address the youth, the protesters, saying a single word? He's waiting for the cabals to say something, and the cabals are the one planning the coup of. So we are not fear any one of them now. It is enough is enough. If they know they born them well, they should come out. And we are ready to sọ̀rọ̀ sókè àti gbóhùn sókè. May they hear our voice. It is high time they listen to us, not us listening to them. They need to meet our demands. The cabals are the coup planner. The cabals are the bunch of thieves recycled themselves since 1960 in government, up to date. So they are the one presiding for the interim president Buhari. So we are not even thinking of any of them. They should come out. The so-called cabals, if they knew that no, they are bold enough to face us, to face the youth, they should come out with their family and they will hear this course. I'm so surprised you are asking me such question, because you and I knew that the prisons of today should be made and should be kept for the past politicians and the present politicians in Nigeria who have sabotaged the image of our great nation. The prison should be made available for them to spend the rest of their life, because where we are today, they are the one. Nigeria has been seen across the globe as a criminal. When you hold a Nigerian passport, wherever you find yourself across the globe, at the airport you will start being embarrassed, because they look at you that nothing good is coming out from our country. Why? Because the so-called bunch of thieves leaders we have are number one criminals. They are professional criminals. They are killers. So why keeping the innocent Nigerians? You can imagine Nigeria, they can jail you because you steal a cup of rice for you to be able to survive with your family, your kids. Why they are there taking out billions and they are using immunity on themselves, and they are going to social media displacing their wealth, money they did not work for. What the salary they are earning, are they working for such salary? Enough is enough. We already sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Kan gbọ́ ohùn wa dáadáa. We don sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. So according to our adage, wọ́n ní àìlè sọ̀rọ̀ ní ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ orí burúkú. Àwọn youth wa dẹ̀ jẹ́ kó yé wọn pé àwọn ò kì í ṣe olórí burúkú. A ti sọ̀rọ̀ sókè, wọ́n ní ọmọ tí ó bá máa jẹ́ àṣàmú kékeré ló ti máa ṣẹnu ṣámúṣámú. As old as I am, before we were born, we be hearing youth are the leaders of tomorrow. The little education we have today is the grace. I could remember vividly when I was traveling to Nigeria and the immigration were asking me what am I doing where I lived, and I told them this what I showed them my company or whatever. They were like asking me why not Nigeria, and I asked them, put the question back to them, is it Nigerian government that empowered me? You can just imagine, they keep saying youth are the leaders of tomorrow. The youth that cannot even feed himself, not to talk less of feeding his own family, the wife and the children. Is he the one that is going to remember a mother or the father? So where are we going to and where are we coming from? It is now time for us to claim our glory. We are not leaders of tomorrow. We are the leaders of today. Now. We are ready to take it now. If they refuse to make us the leader, we are ready to make ourselves the leader. That is not a new thing, because South Africans, the Nigerians in South Africa are always in support of whatever that will move the country forward. I mean back home. And they emulate, because there is a law in this land, in South Africa, and the South Africa government value their citizens. You've never seen their citizens protesting, and the government will order anybody to tear gas them or to beat them or to destabilize them. They listen to the masses. The government listen to the masses, and that is what we don't have back home there in Nigeria. So South African, the Nigerians in South Africa are all going to march on Wednesday, 21st of October, to support and to encourage our dear fellow youths back home. and to give them kudos of what is going on presently, and we are in full support. And I appreciate all other Nigerians across the globe in diaspora for their support so far. It's not only in South Africa, they are marching in USA, they are marching in United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, and all over. So what is going on presently? It is we demand a better and a great nation, a great Nigeria. My advice for the Nigerian youth is they should not give up. That country is gonna be a great country again, and they should desist from bribing or men talk agreement. Whatever agreement the so-called bunch of thieves that call themselves leaders have should be on black and white. So they should keep pushing. We'll get there. Nigerian government is to listen to the masses. There is nothing more. It's to listen to the demands of the youth. Our people are dying. Our people are suffering. We don't have any good record across the globe. The government should speed up and listen and take action on the demand of the youths. That is all I have for them. My advice for all Nigerians in diaspora, and particularly in South Africa also, is to join this struggle. It is our duty, it is our right to support and encourage our fellow brothers and sisters back home. Please and please, wherever you are listening to me, speed up, sit tight. Do this for your children. Do this for your unborn child. Do this for our great nation, Nigeria. God bless you all. Share and subscribe to this channel and follow on the Facebook page, Twitter, and on YouTube. Thank you.